Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my melting basket for the next week or probably two. I don't know, but I'll probably do warm reviews before then. So I have this sweet little basket that Ramona sent me. I am loving this. Obviously, I feel like I've talked about it every video. I have two of them, and so it looks messy now, but I will get them organized and looking pretty, sitting on my countertops so that I can easily pull things for the day or whatever. So let's go ahead and dig in. I have more over here to the side of me because I grabbed some bags and things. So this is my problem. I go into my closet and I'm overwhelmed with how many different scents I have, you know, like I just want to warm all of them. So I probably ended up over picking this time, but whatever. So I have two of the, I can't think of what the loaves are called that Super Tarts does. The half bams or the, I don't know. I had two of these though in pita. So, and so you can see why it's so full. It looks like a full freaking loaf. But I want to warm some of that. I love pita. Pita is, by the way, if you don't know, French baguette, butter brickle, and coconut shavings. One of my favorite bakery type scents. I also pulled out this coconut cola marzipan cookies. I've had this for a little bit and I think I really enjoyed it, so I thought I'd toss out some bakery. This I've had forever, and this is Candy Cane Lane, and this is Strawberry Euphoria and Peppermint. So I remember I didn't love this one, so I might try to mix something with it, but I don't know what yet. So I'll just have to see, like when I get melting, what I end up liking. I'll set that over there. This is another one I've had for a long time. This is Bananas Foster Ooey Gooey Caramel and Waffle Cone. I've had this one for a while, so I felt like it was time to pull it out and use it. Berry Lovely Birthday Cake is another one I've had. I want to mix this with something, but I don't know what, because I don't love it on its own. I feel like I need to add like maybe some cream cheese frosting or maybe ice cream. I don't know. I'll mess with this one a little bit, but it's not my favorite. So I'm going to finish this Family Stone just because the clam is just looking a little ragged. But Family Stone is cinnamon glazed vanilla beans. I feel like I want to mix this with something, but I'm not 100% sure what yet, so I just pulled the clam. I don't know. I had a weird experience with this one last time. Maybe it'll go better this time. I don't know. Also, I have Gardenia Island Nectar Sugar Cookies. That sounded nice. I pulled that. Sorry, my stomach is rumbling, even though I have had breakfast. I grabbed another one of these. If you saw my warm reviews, you know that I loved this scent, so I grabbed another one because I do have a third one. So Snuggle Warm Vanilla Sugar, that was great, by Sugar and Spice. Also from Sugar and Spice, I'm going to do, let's see, I have Latte and Sugar Cookies Whipped Cream. I'm going to do that one. And then I'm going to do Snuggle Rain Barrel, because I absolutely love Snuggle scent from her. And then I'm going to do, this might be kind of weird, I'm going to try Snuggle, Rain Barrel, and Whipped Cream. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm going to try it. And then also I found this Rosemary Mint Salty Sea Air Noel, and this one smells delicious. Just really good. So I'll probably put that one in the living room a little bit later. So I grabbed another half like clamshell in White Witch, which is menthol, grapefruit, silver birch, and rosemary. That one smells pretty good. Excuse me, sir. Or actually, it's not a sir. I just always say that like when I'm irritated. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Tinky. Okay, got that all taken care of. Okay, so the next one I have is Lemon Curd and Rose Milk. This one is a great one. I like this one for the bathroom. It's just a really pretty, lovely scent. Next up, I have Gain Fresh Strawberries from Super Tarts. I don't remember what this one smells like. I don't know. That one's one you have to warm. I don't smell like, I don't know. I don't smell gain or strawberries. That's strange. It smells good though. It smells really good. Okay. I also have Count Your Blessings. I'm just really feeling this scent right now. I have a loaf somewhere. This, oh my gosh. This is old. This is probably when she first started doing her potion packs. It still smells really great and really strong, and it smells wonderful. Sea salt and agave. I've had this for far too long. I might do it on its own. Oh, sea salt. Yum. Or I might just try to mix it with something as well. But sea salt on agave on its own smells actually pretty good, so I might just go for it by itself. Oh, I grabbed some more. Oh, okay. So Super Tarts recently just did a fizzy pop and lemon curd blend for her Wonka melts or whatever. So I thought I would do lemon curd fizzy pop, and I might add marshmallow just for the hell of it. This is old, and I've gotten it. It came from an stash like probably 2 years ago. Coconut lime verbena zen. So this one is actually really good. I remember warming it last year. Yeah, so I'm just going to finish that up because the bag is looking really ratchet. So then I had this from last week. I'm re-adding it. Lemon curd zucchini bread waffle cone. And then I'm going to continue to do House of Stark. Harkness. Okay, and then I grabbed... So for this mind reader one that I said I wasn't sure about. So it's blackberry pear cider. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix that with, I'm going to try it with a French baguette, brown sugar, possibly. I might throw brown sugar. I think pear and brown sugar would go really good together. I'm going to try that. And then I have this tiny little bag of zucchini bread left, so I could use that as well. We'll see what happens with that. And then also Sunset on the Beach, I'm re-adding. Okay, also, I have this box where I keep de-stash items. Oh, wait, one more thing. I have just a little bit of this left. This is Edelweiss Swirl and Oh What a Beautiful Morning, and I just have a little bit left, so I'm just going to finish that out. That's a great morning blend. I have this box of Super Tarts that is just like, it's de-stash stuff that's not really like looking good. I've had these freaking forever. I need to just use them. So I have Yondu. I mean, do you guys know how old that is? Like, I think that was from her sampler. I don't even know. Like, Corpsen smells good. It smells kind of like a zucchini bread. I can't remember what the scent note is, but there's that. Also, I have a Governor that looks like crap. So I used to love Governor, and I still might. I don't know. I have to be careful with clean cotton nowadays. It's clean cotton and lemonade. I might try mixing it with, what would I mix this with? Iced lemonade and clean cotton. There's got to be something you can mix that with to kind of tone it down a little bit, but I do have to be careful with like the clean cottons. I'm going to think on that for a little bit. I have an Emmett. I actually really like that one. Let's see, that I need to take out. I didn't mean to put that in there. I do have a Chrissy's Remains full clamshell. I love the Jaws blends. I have a Rockettes, which you guys all know I really like. I have Sansa, which is fresh picked strawberries and pink sugar. That one's really good. You can, you know, mix a lot of things with that one. And then Get Out of the Water, which is strawberry jam and Jaws. I think that one's really nice. I have Borg. And then Rain and Blackberry from Super Tarts, which I think is Jessica Jones now. I have this little sample of Hotel Cortez. I wanted to keep this one because I wanted to try Hotel Cortez again. It smells so intriguing to me that I have to warm it at least once to try it. Purge, which is pine, beechwood and pheromones. I love beechwood, so... Oh yeah, that one smells good. It kind of reminds me of Insidious a little bit. It's got like one of those notes from Insidious, I feel like. I could be totally wrong. Oh, I have some more Sansa here, so I guess I have more than I thought. Maybe I'll mix. Maybe I'll use this as my mixer for something to see, you know, just to play around with it. And then I have Carlisle, which I've had for a while, and I just really need to use it up. I really want to get rid of the box is the situation here. Oh, this one smells really good, actually. Soothing chamomile blossoms and sweet huckleberries. That one you can mix too. Like maybe even like with like lavender, I feel like. That would be really nice. Maybe, I don't know. I'll warm it by itself and then with something probably. I'm really into mixing lately. Like I just figure, screw it, go ahead and mix. I didn't say what Borg was. Borg was the Omen blended with sweet lemon curd. So there's that. Oh, that smells so good too. Okay, that is it, you guys. Hopefully I got the scent descriptions. I don't know. I felt like I went through that really fast, but whatever. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye guys.